Hello, this is Brian with the CrossCurrent X, and I reached 137 miles safely without any issues. As you can see, I put saran wrap over everything, and that was to prevent the water from getting into the battery connector and potentially causing a short. I did the same for the LCD display after hearing error codes appearing here after rainy weather. It's ugly, but it works, and that's what counts for me. I also saran wrapped all the connectors and made sure they were tightened up. One thing I did notice was race mode doesn't work as it should, feeling like a downgrade from sport mode. So I did contact Juiced, and they did send out a new controller. Unfortunately, they sent it to the wrong address, so it's going to take a while for me to get to that job. Today I'm going to take a look at the rear brakes, which are squealing a bit, and I'm going to check if the disc is in the center, right smack in the center between the pads. Alright, see you soon. Before I worked on the back wheel, I decided to flip over the bike and take out the battery. And that's when I found that the female battery connector is degrading. And you can see in this picture here that the positive terminal has some sort of ring of corrosion or burning or something going on there that the top negative terminal doesn't. And from a previous video, I noted that the positive pin seemed a lot, well, not a lot, but a little bit more recessed. And I think this is the result of that design. So Jom from the electric bike forums really kind of gave me a ton of advice on how he's doing something to remedy this issue, or at least postpone the battery cutting out completely. I feel like I'm following in his footsteps, but for now I'm just going to file a support ticket. Definitely file a support ticket, and I think I'm going to have to apply the fix he gave me. Thanks, Jom. I appreciate it. Here's the male battery connector. The prongs look okay to me, and I couldn't push or pull the connector in and out or at all, so it seems to be very solid. It was tightened because initially it was loose and the threads were kind of stripped, perhaps over tightened from the factory. But anyway, I don't see any issues on this side. Here's the rear wheel. If I spin it, you'll hear kind of a forks on a plate noise. After adjusting these two bolts, let's see how it sounds. There were two types of straps recommended in the forums to secure the battery. This one was from Candy Home, and actually they're pretty good high quality strips. They're a little bit of thinner width compared to these from Secure Cable Ties, but I think they're made of pretty good quality. These ones, on the other hand, are much thicker but seem a little bit thinner, but either one is going to do the job, I think. Maybe I would go with these because these are thicker, and that to me feels like it should hold it more secure. Here's a photo of the Candy Home straps on the battery. Here's one with the wider secure cable ties. Here's a photo of me flipping the bike, and I just put a basket underneath it so that the LCD display and other things that Juice says to move, I didn't move them, and using this basket lets me keep them where they are. Anyway, maybe that helps you out if you need to work on your rear wheel. So, good luck, and see you later. Bye.